Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accreditation. 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 Accreditation is a noun that refers to the process of officially recognizing, validating, or authorizing the competence, authority, or authenticity of individuals, organizations, programs, or institutions. It involves providing an official endorsement or acknowledgement of credibility and quality. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The university's accreditation by a recognized agency ensures the quality and legitimacy of its academic programs. Why accreditation is used in example number 1. Accreditation signifies the official recognition and validation of the university's academic programs, underscoring their quality and legitimacy. Example number 2. Hospitals seek accreditation from healthcare authorities to demonstrate their commitment to patient safety and quality care. Why accreditation is used in example number 2. Accreditation is used to validate and endorse a hospital's commitment to patient safety and the delivery of quality care. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.